Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Samsung account and unlocking the device with PIN or biometrics. This ensures settings persist. Next, open Settings and go straight to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. That's where limits live. Once in, tap Dashboard to see app-by-app timers and total screen time for the day, because you need that baseline. Make sure to note heavy use apps. This first pass tells you what to restrict and why, so you can set realistic limits in the next step. You now pick an app in Dashboard and tap App Timer to set a daily limit. Choose from presets or enter a custom time like 1, 30 or 0. 5 hours. Once done, repeat for other high-use apps and consider different limits for weekdays versus weekends so behavior matches routine. Also enable bedtime mode or focus to silence notifications and block apps during targeted hours. Doing this helps reduce distractions, because when apps stop interrupting, you reclaim attention without deleting, and you finish by enforcing limits. Enable parental controls if needed, or move sensitive apps into secure folder for stronger separation. Once applied, monitor screen time reports for 1-2 days and tweak timers based on real use. This feedback loop refines the plan. If limits aren't working, check Always Allowed apps, confirm your Samsung account is synced, and verify device time zone. Mismatches can break timers. If problems persist, restart the phone and reapply one app timer to test before scaling up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.